This is CAT S75, and today I would like to show how you can set up parental controls on this device. To start, you will need to launch Settings, then find and enter the Passwords and Accounts category. From here, simply remove any Google accounts you have, then get back to the main Settings menu, re-enter the Google category this time, then go for the Parental Controls, Get Started, Child or Teen, Next. Now you will need to sign into your child's Google account or create one if you haven't got any. Anyway, so in here just enter your child's Google account credentials, starting with an email address, then follow it by inputting the password. Then proceed with the Google login as you would normally do. Once the account was successfully logged into, select it from the list over here, and then enter another Google account credentials, but this time for the Google account you will use to supervise your child, or simply saying log into Parental Google account. Then you will be forwarded to the About Supervision page. In here, input the child's Google account password once again, tap at the Agree button, and then at the pop-up or dialog window that you'll get next, tap at the Allow option and wait for the parent and child accounts to get linked. After that, continue. In here you can disable some of the apps that are already installed on the child's phone, or perhaps apply some filter settings and age restrictions for the listed apps. And from here, if the device that is highlighted in the bold font over there is the same device you will use to supervise your child, you can tap at the Install Family Link button and the Family Link app will be automatically downloaded and installed on your parental device. If not, you can simply skip this step and manually download the required app. So that is that is the way that I'll go for personally. So take your parental device, then launch the Play Store, and as I've already said, download the Family Link application. Then launch it. Make sure to sign in with the parental Google account over here. And inside the app, you should have an access to all kinds of controls. In my case, for some reason, the app is lagging. Because I happen to have some Google account issues, it seems. Alrighty, that is an interesting stuff. Let me verify my Google account real quick. So something went wrong still, so let me perhaps restart the app. As you can see, my example phone or reference phone is so cluttered with a lot of trash apps that it doesn't give the best performance, but that's fine, I guess. Already, now it works. Okay, so in here, as I was saying, there are a lot of controls you can use and apply for your child's device. You can set up the daily usage limits or set up the downtime routine for your child, completely tailor, control and manage the child's app activity at the app limits control. Then you can apply content restrictions and age filters as well, configure account settings, manage devices if you have multiple supervisees. You can also monitor your child's location and see your child's device usage highlights. Alrighty, so that would be it as far as setting up parental controls on this CAT smartphone goes. We highly appreciate your attention, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.